Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video. Coming up on Itonga on Monday, love worth fighting for. Lungelo rescues all with his lies. Zama's mood is lifted after her encounter with Sanele. On Tuesday, we are not in Devon anymore. Sanele stands his ground on the ethics of doing business. Lungelo flips the script on Gosnati. Zama milks Ayanda for information but doesn't like what she hears. On Wednesday, bonded by grief, Lungelo's about to find out you can't outrun a lie. Zama and Sanele's love for their loved one draws them closer together. On Thursday, he is still here. Pablo learns that the walls have ears, and we find out exactly what timber is made of. On Friday, spiritual whiplash. Banele's spirit forces Zama and Sanele together. Temba uses unconventional methods to deal with Lungelo. Thank you guys for watching.